go! Let's go, baby!
Here we go,
I
baby!
told you never bet against me. Here you go.
Yeah, here we go. Starting David's got a pistol in her pants. I got the money on the line. Sungjo, red team.
Yeah. Oh, it's all. Sanjo!
Here we go, baby, ladies and gentlemen. We're turning it up. Sungjo in the red corner. Tawdry410 Chicken in the red corner.
Pollo loco! Pollo
Damn, I missed
loco!
that.
Sungjo put it in with the strong pocket assassination on my guard. He grabbed the sniper, blowing out the barrels, rotating.
Alright, Tack. I'm not gonna be cocky. I was trying to
Looking
get
here, he's
highlights
looking,
on
Looking
it.
good, ladies and gentlemen. We got money on the line. Who's it? 25, 20, 50, 75, 150. 150, do I see 250?
250. I got
250 on the border. 275, 265. Who do we got? 275.
300.
300 on the board.
I'm too
God
tired
damn,
for this,
nah.
Tack.
Oh, I thought you fucking hiding.
We got negative one. Get 325, 325.
-1. What the f?
325. No one at 325, 300. Current bidder.
350. I got 350, bro.
350 on the board. Sungjo. Go Sniper Control, rotating. Mouse and keyboard player.
God damn, dog.
Depends on the refresh spawn. Where we see you split spawn. Sungjo not in a favorable spot.
He's still
He's
got
gotta find him. He's gotta find him. He's gotta find him. He doesn't know where he's at. There we go. Sungjo, repicking up the weapon.
Oh! God damn! You got knocked in the fucking face. Oh my god! You got. Do you still have teeth?
Oh, Sungjo, the miss shot. Choke a little bit. He's feeling the pressure. It's okay.
That's how you know I'm tired.
Holy fucking Jesus, I'm getting huge right now. 1,400 people watching. 1,400 people watching right now. I'm almost at breaking records on my stream.
Hey, Tack, why does it bother you so much that I'm better than
Let's
you? I've played
go.
this game since day one.
Come on, boys.
Sanjo, come on, Sanjo.
Oh no, I fell, Joe. I was about to back tap you, Tack. I fell off.
$350. Come on.
Yeah, definitely. $350. Current fucking bid.
right now. What the fuck?
Current fucking pass. Current fucking pass. $350.
Dude, I was right behind Tack about to back tap him on shortcut and I fell.
You better do something.
Oh, no.
You better
It's
stop
not
your
mine,
game
dude.
up.
3 to -2, bro. You're not taking this seriously. Tawdry is throwing in the game. In a big money game here. Everybody's been watching, waiting for this fucking moment to happen.
I'm tired as fuck, dude.
$350, bro.
Oh my
I'll
god!
meet you guys again.
Oh my god.
Beautiful fucking sniper shot. It's still maintaining control in entire position. Shifting. You heard the audio.
You know, I've come back.
I think
by
Sungjo's
10.
heard the audio. He knows he's
Like,
close.
dude,
There it is.
Why are you listening to this?
Wait.
We play 1v1s all the time.
Let's
Either one of us
start.
Oh my god. 350.
Yeah, Tawdry, stop playing for real, bro.
Go, baby.
Come on, guys. Oh! 350, bro. 350.
350 on home
No sword,
350.
no nuke combo. Live.
This is it. Everyone's hesitant on the situation here now.
He's looking.
Power weapons. What's up? What are you gonna do?
Oh, fuck, there we go. We're engaged in the barrel. Taking kills out. He's fucking weak. Tawdry got the advantage. Oh my god. Clash back the sniper.
Yeah.
Respawn on Sungjo. Here we go. 4 to 1. Tawdry's back in the game. Round 2. Sniper oppression.
Yo, fuck my grenades against.
Come on.
Why can't you Don't
Oh,
guy. Don't say so.
Tawdry.
Why can't you see?
Nasty.
Oh my god. But thank you. You helped me get.
Tawdry won that 350.
You gotta get the game a little tighter here, but I think everything's kind of slowed down for now. Everybody's kind of getting diminished here.
We play all the time.
There we go. Bringing it back. A little top bracket action versus top middle action here.
Little grenade.
Makes the nade with the bang. Oh my god. Bait them with the nade.
Easy kill.
Sungjo, back on top. Tawdry's lobby. 5-1. He's got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
Hey, let me get my suit on.
Tech, did you not see him?
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Oh my god!
Fucking side, baby!
Damn!
Mouse and keyboard, bro!
Ah.
There you go!
Ah.
Another one in. Come on. Hang it up. Hang it up.
Look at fucking Doc! Yo, Doc!
Ah, what the fuck? I shot you in the head.
Yo, Doc!
Two takes him out.
I'm tired. I'm done.
Doc, I love your fucking suit. I'm recording this shit.
He's in cross spawn. Snipes up. Snipe is in play. They have a fucking challenger in play. It's 12 minutes again. Tawdry's a one shot.
Oh, it's the Eagle chance!
One shot. He's not eagle shooting. Yes! Oh my god!
Hell,
Oh
I'm
my god! Reaction time! He's gonna go for sniper. Tawdry is desperately searching for sniper right now. He knows it's up. He's rotating towards it. Sungjo hot in his fucking tail.
Oh!
Ooh. But hey, dude,
Ah,
that's
damn,
Let's go punch.
Outdone. Sungjo doesn't even care right now at this moment. He's whipping around with the sniper towards you. He heard his spawn. He heard the spawn. He knows he's close. Fake it. Oh, he chokes me. Oh my god! Fucking DXB!
That's it.
Oh my god, he's doing 375, 375, 365.
Back everything I tell you. I'll back
Nothing. We have nothing. Ten to 2 here, ladies and gentlemen. 350 holding.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Yeah.
DXB by Sungjo!
Damn it, I'm tired. You know I should have killed you.
We need concentration here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 left to tie it up. 5,500 on the line, 375 for fucking Sungjo.
375?
All behind us is hit.
Thought you could come back. Now he got sniper. You could come back. You can make a
375, 350.
350, 350.
Come on. 375.
370. Alright.
Right now. I don't. I saw you.
Ah, damn, Doc.
He sees him on pocket brackets. It's gonna be an awful fight. Sungjo, first 2 shots.
Eagle challenge. It's the Eagle challenge.
How'd you come back with the ego? Chow fakes back.
Dude,
Fuck
pretty
fade
well.
the
Let's
shields.
go, let's go,
S2. He knows it.
He's running right. Oh, there you go, there you go.
Now the bracket challenge top middle has been really popular 3rd time. So Chow Tawdry comes out with the fucking LPR. Beautiful movement. Beautiful move by Sungjo coming in here.
Yeah, Sun.
Beautiful, beautiful. Really using his fucking head here.
Yeah. That was nice.
That's what I like about this guy. He's always using his head. He might be fucking in out position, but he's using his head in the fucking challenges. He sees it.
There you
Yep.
go, there you go.
This is 3 to go, ladies and gentlemen. We got 375 on the board. Does anyone want to raise 375 on? We got an intense challenge top middle here. Top middle, top blue. Takes the name.
What a grenade. What a grenade.
Oh my god,
What a grenade.
tightening it up here, bro. We gotta come back. We gotta fucking reverse sweep. It's gonna be devastating, bro.
It's gonna be close.
Oh,
Oh.
That's exactly what I wanted you to.
What a
Sungjo, perfect fucking counter nade here. 2 left to go. Oh, we have a bad position here. Sungjo, pick
Hey, he
up
got
the
the
sniper.
sniper. He
Fresh
got the
spawn.
sniper, yeah.
Nerd in the shields. What will Tawdry do? Will he push or will he play conservative? He can't play conservative because he knows he's got the sniper on the back foot. Sungjo, back foot with sniper, full control. It's not looking good for Tawdry, ladies and gentlemen.
He could make a comeback if he gets a sniper.
It's gonna be a difficult road. He heard the audio!
Oh!
Oh, beautiful!
Oh,
Fucking
nice
Willie!
shot.
That fucking BR takes him out 1 left to go, ladies and gentlemen. 5,500, 375 on the line. Does anyone raise the 400? This is it. Sungjo sees him with a sniper. Chokes the shot. He knows he's still in the aggression. Tawdry's gonna be fucking pressing here. He's got a lot of work to do. He's battling an uphill. He got the first 2 shots. He knows
Oh,
he's
nice
weak.
wall banging, Tawdry.
Nice. Wall bang the server. Oh!
Oh,
chicken!
I wanted to be a
Chicken!
Jack. You know I'm much better. You know I'm tired. It's never.
No. One more. Mitchell.
Nah, man.